Good morning. Good bloody morning. How you doing? How you bloody doing? I'm tired. I'm sleepy. But we gotta be on the charts and find out what the hell is going on. Okay. We dojied so hard on DXY. We had such a bearish candle. And then it just did an absolute flip in the evening. Wow. Big flipper, panty dipper. So, yeah, that was interesting. Chewing them out. It's an interesting channel right here. Let's go to the 2 minute. My guesstimation is price is gonna go higher, but it might have to come down and take out some sort of interesting low to then push up from that level. Guesstimations possibly this low. I'm guesstimating. Makes sense. So drop down about 4 or 5 pips, take out this low, hopefully do a 15-20 pip move up. Oh god. Probably not. Probably just, oh god. Very low volume. What range are we playing? Oh shit. 12 pip range. That's not good. I think price is gonna consolidate. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay. Not what I wanted to see. Not at all. I think news ain't gonna do no big moves until NFP, in all honesty. I don't see much happening until then. So let's just read price action and see if there's anything we can find. Build up, sweeped it out, moved higher, built it up, sweeped it out, moved higher. Then we had Frankfurt taking that low and then moving higher, and then obviously that could have been an M5. Yeah, M5 invalid zone start right there. Beautiful. I would say this zone don't trade from. Point two pip of a job in it. I wonder if there's an M1 zone. No, there isn't an M1 zone to go long. Because I was thinking the volume looks good on that. The direction looks a little bit clear on that. UJ is probably moving in. Oh no. Oh, UJ is doing nothing. Okay, that's interesting. Made the zone on M1. Please don't be too big. 1.6, 2.6, 3.6 is 2 pips. I'll do 3.5. Could be rejecting off of the trend line to move further down. Now, hard to say, man. I'm just curious, what is this gonna do? Anyway, we need a 35 pip move. It didn't want to come back, did it? No. God damn it. I think I'm gonna have to go over to Monday. Maybe Tuesday. I don't think we're gonna get such a big move. So missed that dip there and then it flew onwards. Just come tag that level there, and boy oh boy have we got momentum slash volume here, man. Boy yo. That's just going to encourage me to say continue to go long, because the volume is kind of on that side, as is momentum. So let's see what continues to happen with that. Then let's have a look at, it's a big move, that'll go to 4 o'clock. Yeah, I'll go to 4 o'clock as well. green channel right there that got top, had an invalid zone there. Clean. Like the look of that. Price tagged in, broke structure, didn't tag that, flew off. Fine. I think it's encouraging price to go further, so I think we are still bullish for now. Like the next few moments, I can't see anything to tell me no, don't go long. Oh shit, it's just come back and tagged that. Oh no, it's come back to that zone. Think about this then. Do we definitely want to go long? It's already set to 4 o'clock. 50 pips. I'm not expecting that or that. 30s at a push also. Let's flip to M15. Let's chuck that over to Monday. And that. I mean, actually, we could do that because you got USD CAD news, USD and CAD news. Sorry. So yeah, we could actually do a big move, to be fair, from that. Even if you just follow USD CAD, that's an equal high. Interesting. Just the way it looks to me is it's gonna continue bearish off of this move here to move downwards, but I did like the look of this invalid zone. Oh, it'd come take out this level here and then fly down. So this level here. By about 2-3 pips. Now let's see what happens with this then, because I might go short on here. If we break the low, then I'm thinking we probably will go short on that. So I'll keep an eye on that. M2. Yeah, and we see what happens from here. failure of that level, and I think we're good to go. Possibly. So both EU and GU are kind of saying let's go long. USD JPY is trickling down. USD CAD is pushing down. Interesting. Over there. Move that over. So at the moment it looks like EU GU longs are looking more likely. Actually very much the same thing with GJ as well, isn't it? Five, probably M2, then just draw out the line there. Yeah, looks like it anyway. It's so annoying. Right, so Eurozone GDP 10 o'clock. We've got a clean New York, London session, like no news in the way whatsoever. So we're gonna have to see where things go. Yeah, what a brave guy, man. Dude is the personification of bravery. Come on, let's see if we can get anything good. And then hopefully hold it through NFP and then see if we can land any good news. Is NFP going to come out good or bad? I think bad. I would prefer bad. Allegiances would be bad. Okay, oh shit, we're at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock on the minute. Let's see if we get any sort of indication from price. If it wants to do anything or go anywhere. Okay, EU pushing up, GU pushing up. If it sweeps these highs, that could indicate it want to do a dip down. Could indicate. USD CAD still not doing nothing. UJ still not doing nothing. GBPJPY are still not doing much. Let's look at. Oh shit! I keep forgetting to look at what's its face. What's that asset called, man? DAX. Price come down. Keep that up. Keep that up. Keep that out. Keep that out. Keep that out. Oh shit. Yeah, it's hard to draw a freaking arrow with this mouse, man. It's awkward. Like a clean arrow. There, set that out. That's just swept that there, so could that now be a move to the downside? Could be signals, looks like it. I would say so. I would say so. Yeah, I bet it is. We'll come back to that in a minute. I'll look at gold on M1 for a second. 5, gold come down, took the low. And then flew off, didn't do no pullback. Very much similar with silver. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I didn't really give much of a signal. Oh, USD card fell. So should I short from here? If it pulls back. To be honest, I don't want to short USD CAD. I think it's gonna go higher. I should definitely cover that low as well, just so I can kind of see it on the chart. think that's gonna drop down further. Looks like it anyway. Oh my god. Turkish CPI year on year 32%. Oh my god. That is wow. Legit wow. That's so bad. Oh my god. Wow, we need to slap Azerbaijan as well. Fucking hell. Horrendous people, man. Horrendous people. Off we go. No entry, nothing, just off we go. Fantastic. Fantastic. But USD cards falling as well, isn't it? Yep, it is. Let's try looking at this level instead now, because I like to look at this instead. This looks cleaner. 2.4, 2.6. Now I'd like any retracement into this. Sweat this low though, innit? I think that low is gonna fail, man. That was 65 and 91. Have to be a 4 pip SL, 4 pip SL on that account. What about here? How much? Red on it. Four. Point six. Better to do 3 pip SL. Not gonna come back, is it? This guy's too erratic, man. From the shit he comes out with, for yo. I don't think he realizes when he opens his mouth and talks. Oh shit. Keep that there. Hello, Kuswan. Oh wait, Wangi, is that you? You got a new account? Wangi. Or are you someone different? If you're someone different, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it is you. Oh.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Why are you using the Dima account? Official account. Oh. This one is the official account. Okay. Long time no see, Ndugu. Haribu, Ndugu. Okay, I forgot. Is it Mambo Power or Mambo VP? Don't know. How are you? Mambo fuck Power. I think it's Power. Asante. No problemo. No problemo, my brother. I've not been enjoying the markets at all. Definitely not been enjoying them. Been calling price action okay, but it's just been really shitty price action, bro. Not much has been happening. Yeah, pretty much ranging, just not really doing much, being crappy, you know. That sort of thing. High time frame, yeah, low time frame's been shit as well. It's been doing the usual, not moving in London and then it moves after London session when I finish the stream. It's just behaving very weird. I'm calling the direction of price really well. I wanted to short from here and then short from here, but it's not letting me literally do it. Asia and New York, yeah, it's but the issue is, yeah, I can't trade Asia because it's too early, bro. It's too early. Like I have to wake up 2-3 hours earlier, man, and like I'm already waking up at 7 o'clock, you know, like no 6:30, 6:40, so it's too early, man. Yeah, I got swerved there. Hold longs there, which I wanted, but there's no entry, to be honest. Not one that I like. Say build up, sweet. Break structure. You could try and go long here. Now you wake up early, man. Bro, I already sleep at 10 a.m. 10 p.m. I already sleep at 10 p.m. man. Because to be honest, yeah, for example, to trade this here, I would have had to be awake at least 6:20 to brush teeth, get up on charts, and then look at this and be like, okay, price want to tax that level. But then I think with Asia, you still have to do the same idea of buy stops and sell stops, like breakout based entries. I think they still kind of have the same idea. I think longs are valid from here. Price comes back here. 1.9. I'll do 2.3. Yeah, 2.2 on GU. Yep, exactly. Yeah, so we might get choppy price action, to be honest, but we'll see kind of how price goes in it. If it's gonna behave shitty or if you're actually gonna get clean price action, but we'll see in it. I think we might get something, possibly. What do you? I think NFP is gonna move the market a bit. I think we might get some sort of movement from NFP. I think that's good. I just think London's so far moving quite well. So we'll have to see what happens in it. I'll try and trade New York session because I think we might get a move after NFP, like 15-20 minutes after NFP. Like, I wanted to go long here because price come on, EU took all these lows at Frankfurt, yeah, then you had lovely volume there, built up a channel, pulled back, yeah, tagged a zone, made a invalid zone here, so on EU made an invalid zone there, took that zone beautifully. Even though it was in an M5 zone, I wouldn't really have entered off of here, it's too risky. And then it flew up there, made structure there, tagged into there. You know what is with London Open, yeah, I don't like taking a trade 3-4 minutes after it when it's flying like that, because normally, like, averagely, what I've realized is when you get London Open doing a move in a direction, it does it for like 30-40 minutes, then it drops. I don't want to be in that trade, if that makes sense, because then what if it does drop in it and then I've just entered too late, if that makes sense. UJ still continuing to dip down. What about USD CAD? Yeah, USD CAD's doing lovely, but see, it didn't tag me in again, man. There's the first entry, there's the second entry, and then it just fell off. It's annoying when it does that. But let's have a look here. If I did use buy stop and sell stop, how much SL would it have been then? 2.9, 3.9, 4.1. Yeah, and would have had to do 1, 2. Yeah. 4.3 pip SL. You know what, Mangi? Yeah, not on chart, having power issues here. Oh, again, that's fine, bro. Well, you can see my charts anyway, innit? You can see my charts. Is there anything you want me to look at because you can't see the charts? Don't want to look at anything. But USD CAD here, I think the breakout of buy stop sell stop is gonna work really well, man. It seems to be quite good. You can see yours. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so USD CAD there, build up, pull back there, built up a little channel there, fell through, pull back, fell through, and then breakout here on a 4.3 pip SL. A bit big, but I think it might be okay. But it looks like the shorts are gone now because we're at 8:30. We've already moved from Frankfurt all the way down here. We've already moved a comfortable amount. Yeah, 20 pips. We just set to low. I'm not keen, man. When it's taking levels and moving through levels, I don't like it. Too late then. It could reverse at any time. Here's the next potential level. I think once we nail entries, yeah, I think we'll be good, man. Look at gold and silver. Yeah. What time frame? M5, M15. Uh, 30 minute. All right, 1 second. I'll put them on the top here in it. So 30 minute. 30 minutes, so you can see it a bit better. There. That's 30 minute. Yes, Aladdin Al-Baidi. You working from home, yeah? We're in that range because this is like a 4-hour range. You just look at this on the 4-hour. It's a 4-hour range on EU and gold and silver. We're dipping below on the range, but for me, that's not signifying anything yet. Back to 30 minute. I think if you're gonna short it, this is a nice area to short on silver. And then gold, I think I'd probably wait for it to go a bit higher and take out that level there. So this, oh fuck, we tried that again. This level here looks nice for a short, and this level here looks nice for a short on gold and silver. Yeah. Scalp on lower time frame. Yeah. I just don't like the way this 30-minute candle looks in it, because it just come out and taken this low right here, which is basically the range is low, and it's had a very good move back. That's just something I don't like in it. But if you to look at that on M1, I did look at this. There's no entry. Yeah, there's no M1 entry. It would have had to be a breakout entry in it via the buy stop and sell stop way. So first leg, second leg. So put that there, 14. I could do about 20 pip SL, and then what was the thingy? 67, so I'll do like 77 or something. No, 87. Yeah, there. And then 16 to 20 pip SL. And then do this on a breakout as well. There's like a buy stop, sell stop, and then that would have been good. Hold on sell zone on 5. What do you mean on 5-minute chart? Oh yeah, you mean this? Yes, that zone there. I wanted to sweep that level, then start creating bearish structure to go short in it. But I think gold and silver would be good for buy stops and sell stops, because when they move with a lot of momentum. Okay, so price did not want to pull back into this level. Instead, it broke structure here, swerved that level and kept going higher. That's fine. We're at half 8 already and there's absolutely nothing. I have to wait for some sort of reversal or something, man. But I don't want to buy yen. Oh, look at that. We tagged 160 point. One second. Need to look at yen. Because price is tagged this zone here where the intervention is supposed to happen, yeah? I'm going 4 hours, probably a bit cleaner there, yeah. So, do 1 hour then. Supposed to tag this intervention zone where it happened last time. We did just tag it. What did I think Bank of Japan had statements today? I want to look at those statements and see what they said, in case they give any hint into Alan, you know, bro, Turkey CPI come out today year on year, 32.6%. That is a mad CPI. That's absolutely mad CPI for Turkey. Bro, 32.6% is fucking mad. Okay, P and Takaichi paying close attention to indicators and market trends. Securing fiscal capacity is an important issue. We'll clarify targets, lowering the debt to GDP ratio. No, Turkish is a lira. They have their own currency. Turkey has their own currency. It's called Turkish lira. L-I-R-A, lira. It's bad. Their economy. Erdogan, their president's a good president. Apparently, I'm not sure. I've heard 50-50. But yeah, their inflation's really bad. Really. They're about to collapse as an economy. Anyway, as in the Turkish lira, nah, it's just affects its own economy. It doesn't affect other economies. Turkish lira doesn't. Probably stuff like Azerbaijan's currency, because I think Turkey does a lot of dealings with Azerbaijan, but I think that's about it. I don't think there's much else going on. Anyway, yeah, I think I want to go short, yeah, but I want price to come up, take this channel out, take this higher, then I want to look for shorts in case they then do another intervention and stuff like that. And then if they do, and I manage to catch a 500 pip move, that might be my first $100 trade. Hello, Vi. Hello. Welcome.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
The boys are back. The boys are coming back. Hit like. Go on. Anyway, so that's why I'm thinking, yeah, that price is creating like on M15 this sort of channel, and then probably take Asia alone, then start to fly up and take that channel and take the previous day out, which is basically the internal weekly high so far, then tag deeper into this invalid zone, yeah, the range area. I think around 160.2 up to obviously the 160.7 level, we might get another intervention. Unless price sweeps out that level again and we go to like 161. Nah, 168 probably, yeah. 168.5 or something, then we might get another move from Japan. Which is why I don't want to buy against it, it's too risky. How you doing anyway, Vi? How's your trading going? Is it going good? Is it going bad? Yeah, look at that, man. That's not looking bad at all. Just couldn't seem to get into that USD card. I still want to be long on USD card because I think the news might come out good for America, which is gonna make the dollar stronger. Gold and silver is gonna fall even more. USD CAD, apparently they're talking about recessions on CAD. So yeah, exactly. Apparently CAD's going through a recession or something like that, or borderline having a recession or something. So I think it would be good to short the CAD and buy USD. So I want to short it for now, and then in New York session I think it'd be good to go long USD CAD and then probably swing trade that. NZD CAD. Neville didn't send in the Discord the edge finder, man. Where's Neville? Oh, he sent it. He sent it at 8 o'clock. Right, so NZD CAD. Nah, he's not said it in. It's not showing in edge finder. It's showing USD CAD's bullish. That's fine. USD JPY is bullish, but I'm not trading USD JPY because of intervention. That is not taken into account via fundamentals. That's more of a economic outlook, not a fundamental one. That's more sentiment analysis, if anything. The GBP NZD is bearish. NZD USD is bearish. GU is very bearish. EU is very bearish. Gold is very bearish. Silver is very bearish. CAD's very bearish. So the best longs fundamentally is USD JPY, which is not a good idea. Nikkei, which is a very good idea. USD CAD, which is a very good idea. They're the only very bullish pairs. Very bearish pairs. Gold, silver, EU, GU, CAD JPY, and CAD CHF. Now, if CAD is going to have a recession, that's going to make it weak. If Japan does an intervention, it's going to make CAD strong. So you would want to short CAD JPY. And CHF, apparently the Swiss franc is considering doing interventions also, and they've never done an intervention ever so far. So they're considering it. That could be a shock to the currency. The CAD CHF shorts and CAD JPY shorts look good. EU GU shorts look good fundamentally. Gold and silver shorts look good fundamentally. Nikkei longs, USD CAD longs, AUD CAD longs look valid also. Sending a message to Neville in it, because he keeps sending the edge finder readings, and it's so good that he does that. Haroon's awake now as well. He just sent a dick emoji because he's an idiot. Oh word. So yeah, silver did that move, and that's just kind of consolidating now, which is usual. But you see, Alan, how we're getting good moves in Frankfurt, and then London seems a bit 50-50. Let's see if the breakout would have worked good on gold. So, well, what was the level? 48, yeah. I'd have said 98, and then I would have done 75 pips, and then breakout would have been there. Break even would have been there, and that rallied to about 2 point. You know what? It seems like when you're doing the breakout method, because of the range of markets at the moment, on Forex about 2 to 2.5 R seems good, and on gold and silver it seems like 2 to 3 R seems good on the breakout based entry, because I'm getting the direction really good on it. I'm going to have to live test on this because there's no data to back test. It has to be live tested. So I'm going to have to develop a slightly different edge then. Similar view on the market but slightly different entry models and stuff. Because honestly, if I'm catching 4 or 5 trades a week, yeah, and I'm averaging about 2 to 2.5 R, if the win rate is at least 70%, that's fine. Like, we can work with that. That's profitable. Like that is literally profitable. So yeah. What time frame do you want me to open NZD CAD? Saying M15? Let's go 4 hour in it. So let's have a quick look on 4 hour. Price come up, took these highs, had a fat move down. I have done 4 hour there, so this price done a fat move down there. We've got all of these lows here to attack, but that's a big move on the 4 hour because CAD's looking bad. CAD is looking bad. We go on the 1 hour. Price come up, took this high, moved down. Price come up, took this high, moved down. Go to 30-minute now. If there's any more clarity. Pretty much what I've called so far. Got this channel here. Price took that level there. Break structure here, move down. I don't want price to sweep this level and then move down. I would be following the structure of price, to be honest, because if you look at structurally, we're going like this. We've broke that first level. We've not broke the second level, but internally we've made lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potentially a lower high. We should be making another leg on the downside to go low. On the daily. Yeah, it depends how long you're looking to get in that trade for, innit? Because if you're on the daily chart, yeah, if you're on the daily chart, then and you use like a fib, yeah, if you're fibbing like, I don't know, this low to this high, you're at the 50%, I suppose. Can you go on 4 hour and show the fib? Yes, it does. Does it go 1 hour on the fib? No, it doesn't. 2 hour on the fib? Yes, it does. Okay, perfect. So I would say I'd still say the same thing. If price comes up over this high here, it's gonna be above the 50%. So then I'd look for shorts. But I get what you're saying. If you're trading on the daily, yeah, actually forget that. Look at this. This is an even better level. This is an even better level. But NZD CAD, it doesn't show on the edge finder as a good reading. NZD CAD, so NZD CAD's not, but oh, it's bullish, +5. Actually, it is +5 reading, but 5 isn't strong enough for me, but it is technically valid. So you know what, bro, I would say, yeah, on the 1 hour, you can tighten that zone up a bit. Honestly, I'd have gone long from here. I'd have gone long from there. I'd have covered the low one here and then targeted back into the high again. Or you could try and like target about 50% of this level, which was really good entry. Look at that. Like the 50% level was beautiful right there. And then instead of covering the low, which is 28 pips, what's the average daily range? What's the daily range on this? Let's have a look at the average candle. There's 45, 70, 70, 50, 25, 60. Yeah, it seems to be around 50 in it, yeah. So I would say on here, I would double the SL. So instead of doing 20, 25s, do about 50 pip SL. So you're on about the average of an average daily range. And then target the high again, and that's a 2.7R. And that's a key. This is basically, yeah, how a lot of fundamental traders trade, bro. They literally go on the daily chart, yeah, swing low, swing high, key area, fib it, inner 50-60%, hit longs. They literally trade like that, bro. And they trade it on the fundamental. If it's bullish, they trade it. That's literally how they trade. That's it. With the 1-2% risk. And they win probably about 70% of the time. But you have to wait like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, yeah, if it's trending. If it's ranging, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And then you're paying swaps as well if it's one where the interest rate doesn't line up in your favor. But if you're benefiting off of the swaps, then you get paid for holding it through a range in it. But honestly, this is how easy swing trading is. Swing low, swing high, key area within the fib, hit buy, done. That's it. Literally, that is literally it. Especially if the fundamentals are lined up perfect. It's as simple as that. And you would have been in around 38 pips profit at some point. I think the break even for me on this would be when price comes up and breaks this level, I'd go break even, because those guys don't have a break even. They just like wait for 4-hour structure or something like that, which is too late. 4 hour is way too late. I think if you go on M15, yeah, that's the same level, I suppose, but break that level, then go break even. And then if price does go higher, start following M15 structure from the furthest point. Anyway. That's what I'd have done anyway. If you're gonna take a long, bro, just get in there. Just get the hell in that trade. Or if it does pull back to around this low here, odds are it's gonna take Asia low. So if you're gonna take Asia low, then you might come take this low. So then you probably want to short it around here. And then I'd still do a 50 pip SL regardless. Then you just got more upside room. This is why, honestly, if you're trading 4 hour and stuff like that, fundamentals, bro, you can just sleep and you can make money. Like it's not even hard. That's why when traders who trade 4 hour and daily, they can't make money, brother. You have a big problem. You have a big problem. That's one of the easiest time frames there is. Anyway, let's go back to the charts. GBP NZD, that's bearish. That was -6. That's the same as NZD CAD. NZD CAD is +5. GBP NZD is -6. That's not strong enough for me. I would prefer something like EU, GU, CAD JPY, CAD CHF, which is very bearish, or USD CAD Nikkei, and yeah, if you can long dollar itself in it, but yeah. And then obviously I wouldn't get USD JPY longs because the intervention is going to come and slap everyone in the arse. Hey, look at that. It did come tag the surprise and move down, but price is very choppy. So what, we've been 50 minutes now in London Open, and USD JPY has done a 4 pip range in an hour. So Frankfurt high to the current low, we've done 6 pips and it's been almost 2 hours. USD JPY has literally got no liquidity because I think everyone knows the intervention's coming. They don't want to be on the wrong side of going long, and they don't want to short too early at the same time. So I think USD JPY is very tricky at the moment. Watch this channel here. I'm telling you, when I finish trading, between 10 and 11 and 12 o'clock is going to start to fly up. Volume's going to start to come in. Actually, no, not on USD JPY. Ignore that. On other pairs, it probably would have, but not USD JPY. Okay, so what have you got on GJ here? So I did call along. I should have taken along from there, in all honesty, innit? That was my mistake. Why didn't I take that long? Build up, sweep down. Broke structure. Ah, yeah. Oh yeah, because the invalid zone was there. Oh my god, why didn't I take that? What was the reason for that? Or did I just miss it? I don't know. Yeah, don't look at them until an intervention happens, unless you're trying to short near intervention based price, which is what I'm trying to do, innit? And I can on M1, because you think about it, I have a really fast break even anyway, yeah, or a really fast SL. So as long as I get tagged in SL, fine. If I get tagged in break even, then I can just hold it and just hope that they throw the news that, oh yeah, we're gonna intervene or something, you know what I mean? I just hope for that move to occur. That's kind of the idea on it anyway. We'll have to see in it how that kind of plays out. Anyway, so price went up, broke structure there, which is fine. The entry would be here. Oh yeah, I got swerved on that entry, and then it made this demand zone. Yeah, I should have taken the entry here. Yes. Actually, I missed the entry there. Was there a reason I didn't take it, or did I just miss it? Or 1.4, 2.4, 3.4. I've just done 3.5 in all honesty, for the sake of it. Oh, yes, I remember now. I don't want to buy JPY. That's why. That's probably why I didn't take that, because that's a very valid setup, but yeah, I don't want to take that. Because then I've been slapped by intervention twice, remember? If you guys remember, I've been in a trade twice, and Japan said something about intervention, and I got slapped both times. So that's probably why I didn't long this. Yeah, I drew all this out on the chart, didn't I? Yeah. That's probably why I didn't long it. That makes sense, of course. But that is very valid though, and it was actually not a bad trade at all. Invalid zone. We took this level out. Lovely momentum. Channel. Oh fuck. Frankfurt channel right here. Invalid zone taken. First zone to go long. Broke structure, flew off, made a second zone to go long, tagged the second zone, gave a break even after. I would class that as a break even after 16 minutes. Didn't retrace and flew off. That's actually not bad. That's not bad at all. But yeah, I wouldn't have traded that because, as I said, don't really want to be long on this. Bit risky. Prep for New York session. I don't see this doing a 60 pip move because it's not UJ, it's GJ. GJ only do about 15 to 25 pips, I'm guessing, off of the back of NFP. Just gonna copy paste that onto here because it's just another potentially valid zone. My OCD is so bad. Yeah, perfect. So oh, why is this moving now? Built out all these lows, took them. I would say First leg, second leg, tag the supply zone, come back down, see that then moved off. Yeah, that's fine. Can't do nothing with that. Yeah, CAD's weak because of the recession story, innit? That's why. USD CAD is, you know what? It's starting to pull back now. So ultimately, it did from London high to London low. It did about a 16 pip move, which is fine. And then from Frankfurt, it did a 25 pip move. So that was not bad. But see you Monday. Okay, yeah, that's fine, bro. Thanks for coming. I'll see you later. Think there might be an opportunity to go short on euro. First leg, second leg broke structure there, but then it tagged straight back in 1 minute anyway, so I couldn't do nothing with that. But yeah, I don't think there's any move on CAD to get in, because obviously price come back, swept that level for the whole of Frankfurt. It's just kind of trickled downwards for, yeah, about 30 minutes. Then did that move. So yeah, there's nothing I could have done. If price did tag into this zone here for 2.6, it would have just given me 15 pips to take partials on. Only just. And it didn't do that. It come to the second entry, which still didn't get tagged, and from there it was only a 12 pip. So yeah, fine. I'm fine with that. Call price action right again. It is what it is. I can't really do much, can I? Probably need to get another zone in there, because USD CAD's gonna be very volatile when that news starts to come in at 1:30. Listen, actually has no point. I was gonna say, do you want me to stream NFP on YouTube? I might stream NFP on YouTube, I don't know. Yeah, calm. I'll have to bang my workout rapid and then eat rapid and then just get ready on the charts. Gambling time. I might stick a bit of money in a personal account, like 30-40 quid, yeah, and then see if I can gamble it in it. Actually, no, that's haram. Fuck, can't do that. Can't do that. It's fun to do, you know, Alan, yeah. You just stick like 20-30 pound in an account, yeah. If you make like 10 pound or something, you just go Pepe's in it, man. Like a nice little move in it. I did. I did. I made 15 pound and I got 2 Pepe's chicken XL meals in it. And then after I did it, I was like, oh shit, that's gambling what I just did, you know, because there's no analysis, no nothing. It's just straight gamble, innit? Then I was like, oh shit. Bare funny, man. Bare funny. You got bare meetings today and that, or what? I think structurally you got that zone there, yeah, which is how many pips away? 20 pips. That's 26. I'm not seeing a 26 pip move on USD CAD. I think that's probably like 25. Yeah, that's a bit better. And then you've got London high here, so I can do the London high level. Then from here to here it's about 8-9 pips. That's
well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a
GBPUSD, what happened with this then? So it broke out at this level first leg. See, look, on GBPUSD, it was a bit more cleaner than GJ, because obviously I didn't want a long GJ. Obviously, I didn't want a long GJ. But it had the same sort of price action. Channel built up, had that invalid zone there. Channel going on here, wanted the price to come back here, didn't do that, it did that instead. Broke structure, flew off, didn't retrace to any of these levels here, and then broke structure all the way over here, and then yeah, I didn't want to, yeah, that was about it really, innit? About it. Now it's consolidating on euro. Same thing, channel there, build up there, see there, no entry, man, no entry. But I think if we did the breakout buy stop method, so if I was to have done that from, so what, from here, let's drop the SL over there, gathering data in it, so one or do 0.2 pippets for a break to actually occur, and then it would have been 2.3, it'd been 3 point, so 3.5 pip SL would have triggered on that candle there, and then I would have gone break even on the break here, and price would have gone up again. So what would this would have been about 4R. That would have been about 4.5R. Yeah, seems like the buy stop sell stop seem to be a really good way when you get no retracement, man. But I think this worked out well because you caught it before London. So London did this like 12-13 pip move. Yeah, 14 pip move. We just managed to catch it a bit earlier in Frankfurt, so it gave us enough for partials. Just it would have been about 4.5. So I would have probably taken like 75% off if we're in more of a range band market. So I'd have taken 3/4 off and then left a quarter running, see if it goes further to TP2, which would then be like 30 pips in it. 30 to 35, and then that would have been 8.5R, or 35 would have been 10R. Yeah, interesting indeed. Let's go to M15. You've marked that zone out, it's not doing much. You can get rid of that then put this over here. I'm not expecting a 35 pip move, but it could happen. Get rid of that. And then on euro, the breakout would have been here, but this would have been massive. Oh god, yeah, this would have been huge. That would have been huge. Like flipping 5.5 pips. Yeah, something like that. 1, 2. And then triggered on there. Then on this you would have got about 2.7, or just because the SL is ginormous on it. GU is far better on that. Another thing I've realized with the breakout method so far is it's having literally no drawdown. So could I go tighter on the SL? I wonder. Because it's like a break and fly in that direction. I think only once or twice there was drawdown, I think. But then it moved after straight. Interesting. Got M15 on here. I'll just mark out London low then. Euro is not doing a 50 pip move. No chance. No chance whatsoever. 28 pip move, yeah, possible. I could take the weekly high. $30 is quite a big move still, man. USD card. I think I'm done. I might just go for a walk now then, and then get food and shit like that, and then just get ready for a New York session to stream it. I'm gonna have to make a thumbnail and stuff as well. I need ChatGPT to make me a thumbnail. Why is there no news coming out from the freaking Squawk, man? Alan, I don't know if you're still here or not, but Quanteco still hasn't messaged me back. They're still ignoring me and everything. Proper arseholes, I swear. Oh, Alex is online. Perfect. I sent him a message. Hey, dude, any news? They're proper taking the piss. I didn't buy it on credit card. I can't find the transaction either. I don't know which card I bought it on, man. Right, I'll put, hey dude, any news on my refund? I've given enough time and didn't hear anything back. If I don't hear anything by end of the day, I'll take that as a no from you, and then I'll proceed accordingly. That's it. In the words, can I say? You be a bitch, you get slapped in it. Simple. So screenshot that into evidence. This is just adding to everything because I'm just screenshotting everything, bro, and like you can see all the messages I'm sending every 3-4 days for 1, 2, 3 months. They're not replying. Like, it's just so bad for them. Like, it's so bad. They can't say anything, man. Like, what they're gonna come out with? They literally got nothing to say. Everything I've done off my back rapid, yeah, everything they've done, they took the piss. So we'll see what he says now, innit? He's showing online green, but nothing in it. And I'm not even in the Discord anymore, so I can't even see what the hell's happening in the Discord. Yeah. How to make a thumbnail then, man? I might send that message to everyone else, so then it's legit that they all can't say, oh, you've not told us. I'm gonna send it to all of them. There. Now screenshot all of them, so then they can't say, oh, you only sent it to Alex. Because I sent it to Viral and I sent it to Mystic, so I've sent it to literally everyone. And I spoke to all of them about this as well. Perfect, done. I've got even more evidence. But I'm telling you, this YouTube video is gonna slap so hard, Alan. It's got all the proof, all the evidence, everything, bro. Like, and they can't touch me for it. Because I signed the NDA, but the part of the NDA is you give me the refund. You don't give me the refund, there's no NDA, simple. And I've got that in messages on the screenshots and everything as well, like proof, so they can't say nothing. I should maneuver like my Ross. Yeah. Obviously you have to be careful because you don't know what these idiots are gonna do, innit? And you know what? I need to screenshot the account as well, yeah? To show that I'm in profit on the account as well. I'm gonna screenshot that. It shows I'm in profit on a phase 1 200k account by 2.7%. And that I still chose to accept the refund and stuff like that. Literally all the evidence, mate. And then I'm gonna send in the video saying, hey bro, videos on YouTube, hey bro, videos on social media. Just wanted you to see in it all the evidence I've got and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna use ChatGPT to draft a contract here that basically says, you want me to take it down, you have to pay me per video. You have to give me the refund and pay me per video I've made and stuff like that for inconvenience. Like £100 a video or something like that for each year. I'm gonna keep pumping out videos and stuff like that. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and say, if you want me to take them all down, bro, £1,000 each or £100 each, whatever. That GPT is sick, man. Then that's fine, innit? I keep making the videos, innit? That's it, I just keep making the videos and I'm not gonna stop, bro. I'm gonna keep pumping videos out, innit? And then when I go on, like, if I do any more interviews and stuff like that, yeah, with the podcasts and stuff, I'll tell him, innit, don't go to Quantech. I say they're a really bad firm. I got evidence and stuff like that, legitimate proof and stuff. Go to my videos and shit like that, blah blah blah, and I'll cuss them out hard, man. I've got messages from other traders I chat to, Alan, who had the same issues. I'll put those messages in there, but I'll cover their name so you can't see their name in it. But ultimately, I got more than enough proof and evidence. I want to get back in the Discord, innit, but I don't know how. Worst case, bro, he blocks me. I don't get anything anyway. Best case is he goes, alright, safe in it, and then gives me the money. So as far as I'm aware, like, I've literally got nothing to lose in it. From that sense, like, I've literally got nothing to lose. And at least this way they get ripped in it, and like people be like, oh, don't go to them, look at this, look at that, sort of thing. He's already kicked me from the Discord. What more can he do? Oh, I sent emails as well to the support chat. They've not replied either. The website's having service issues as well, which is hilarious. At Tickmill. I think Tickmill is their broker, the one in South Africa. They're having website issues. Bare funny, man. Bare funny. Oh yeah, hello, GJ's coming up. Took that level there. Now I want to look for a short on GJ. Now if we were to get a clean move down, yeah, I would consider it. Because I'd rather be, actually I don't know, man. I'd rather just keep waiting for it to go higher, into higher levels, and then catch the move. But that does look nice. If it actually holds in it in shorts, even. GU flying up. Big move, man. Big move today. this is why I wanted to stream in, because I had the feeling it's either going to be shit or it's going to be really good. But it flew off without even letting me get in, so minor thing. Oh fuck, sorry. Pad's coming down. Gold, silver, not. Let's look at DAX really quick. So what did DAX do in London Open? What did I say? Took these highs and fell off. Beautiful. First leg, second leg, missed that, fell all the way down here. Then after taking these lows and tagging this demand zone, it flew up. That didn't really do much either. Flew down by a bit and then flew up by a bit and then come straight back into a range again. So that wasn't really ideal. What about US 30? At 7 o'clock. Wrong. London come up, took these highs, dropped all the way down. US 30 shits as well. But see, the spreads on here, Alan, they fuck all, man. Literally, like they're hardly even noticeable. The spreads on the on like Nasdaq and stuff. Frankfurt high comes up, took that level down. Break structure there, missed the tag on there, and then fell all the way down. Yeah, nothing. What about S&P 500? Here spreads are bad. London tagged it. Give like a 6R or something, 5R. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, not much in the markets, to be honest, today, man. There's movement, but there wasn't much in terms of actual catching an entry. Which, why am I not surprised? I think I'm gonna call it there, bro, and just go for my walk in it. Is what I'm thinking. GJ doesn't look like it wants to drop. It looks like it wants to potentially keep rallying, man. So doesn't leave me with much of that, doesn't. No, I might as well claim my money off on top cashback as well. Earnings. Pay out now. Password. PayPal. Why total withdrawal, man? Oh, £5 off a year. Oh, bollocks. View membership detail. Right, so they do bloody charge you. Yeah, screw it, I'll withdraw the 15 quid or whatever it is. Thank you for the payout. I think there's not exactly 25, it's more like, you know, a lot less than that. Actually, I've had 173 claimed back, that's quite good. Yeah, I'm gonna downgrade the membership thing so I'm not paying flipping £10-15 on that just for the sake of it. Currency strength chart. Yeah, for some reason financial juice is freaking the hell out. It's not actually doing updates. I don't know why. Not doing bloody updates. Oh, Funny Pips is putting their prices up, Alan. They're putting their prices up. Top cashback is not thingy. Yeah. If I do go for my walk, can I give you a call or are you in meetings? Friends are teaching, they're not gonna lie. Oh yeah, that's good. They just don't like trade copying in it, man. Otherwise I'd have said yeah in it, but they don't let you do trade copy. I'm meeting at 10 for 15. Yeah. So what they're looking like today? Looking alright. What about next week? Burton on Trent weather. So today's calm, Saturday's gonna rain, Sunday's gonna rain, not likely actually. Saturday's due to rain, Sunday's good to go. Monday there's gonna be rain, Tuesday there's gonna be rain, Wednesday there's gonna be rain, Thursday there's gonna be, fuck's sake man, Friday there's gonna be rain, Saturday there might be rain, Sunday there's gonna be rain, and then what the hell man, how's it gonna be 24 degrees and still raining? Yo, the weather's mad. It's actually cooked. The weather is fully cooked. Fully mangled that. Looks like GJ is gonna keep going and not want to do a pullback. So if that's the case, we can cover Asia high at least. Gold, silver in consolidation. Pound is doing good, man. Euro and pound are getting a big move, and dollars, yeah, wow, flipping hell. This is interesting, man. Right then, I'm gonna go cut the stream here. Alan, I'll probably call you for a bit until your meeting then, if that's all right with you. Whilst I go for my walk. Ah. We'll see what happens then, innit, at the end of the day. Let's look at Bitcoin. 1 day chart. Go to Bitcoin. And we're at 63. It's dipping further. No. Fuck's sake. $56,900. Yeah, we're down on Bitcoin like 50%, man. Once it hits 55, if I got enough money, I might just do a teeny little exposure in there and just see how it goes. Because, bro, Bitcoin is at 126, man. It's dropped all the way down to literally 50% off. Mad. Absolutely mad. And then what about the indices then? So, bonds are all down. Interesting. VIX is up 1.8%. That's nothing. Indices are down. Gas is up, metals down, oil's still down, but still around 95, which doesn't signify that the war's coming to an end. Ethereum's down almost 6%. That's interesting. Bitcoin's down 1.3%. Bonds are indicating, and indices. Marathi stock market is up, but so is gas price in the UK. The market still seem undecided. Right, peace out. Hit like. Alan, I'll give you a buzz if that's alright. In like 5 minutes. Bye.